Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to remove Apple ID account from other devices. So if at the end of this you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now the first one to do to remove your Apple ID account from other devices is go ahead and open the settings app on your iPhone. So if you are using iPad, go ahead and open the settings app on your iPad. Then click on your profile name, which is your Apple account and iCloud account name. Once you click on that, just hang on, then scroll down. You should see all the devices where you are logged in here. To sign out your Apple account from other devices, select the device you want to log out. And then hang on. Once you selected the device, then go ahead and click on remove from account. Now, once you click on remove from account, then choose spot that says remove this Apple account from your iPad or selected device. After you remove this from iPad, it will no longer be available to approve new devices or use iCloud and other Apple services again until you sign in again. Now go ahead and click on remove. Hang on. And this is going to remove your Apple account from the selected device. So in this case, it's going to remove my Apple account from my iPad. And that is it. So that is basically how to remove Apple ID account from other devices. So if you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.